Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a jar of pickles. First, gather your ingredients: fresh pickling cucumbers, white vinegar, water, pickling salt, and your favorite spices like dill, garlic, and mustard seeds. Ensure your cucumbers are firm and blemish-free for the best results. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids in boiling water for at least 10 minutes to prevent spoilage. This crucial step ensures a safe and delicious batch of homemade pickles. Now let's create the perfect brine. In a saucepan, combine equal parts water and white vinegar, typically a 1-to-1 ratio. For every cup of liquid, stir in 1 tablespoon of pickling salt until it fully dissolves. Bring this mixture to a boil. While the brine heats, tightly pack your prepared cucumbers into the hot, sterilized jars. You can also add fresh dill sprigs, garlic cloves, and a teaspoon of mustard seeds to each jar for flavor. Once your jars are packed, carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, ensuring they are fully submerged. Leave about 0.5 inches of headspace from the top of the jar. Use a non-metallic utensil, like a chopstick, to gently remove any trapped air bubbles. Wipe the rims of your jars clean with a damp cloth to ensure a good seal. Finally, place the hot lids on the jars and screw on the bands finger tight. For safe preservation, process your filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed on a towel for 24 hours. Once cooled, check that each lid has sealed properly. The center should be concave and not flex when pressed. Store your delicious homemade pickles in a cool, dark place. They will be ready to enjoy in a few weeks. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.